Hey, what's gray, sleek, agile, and cramped all over? It's a camper van for a family of 4.
Welcome back to Reset Your Journey. Rose and Glenn here, and you've probably been wondering, where have we been? Why haven't we uploaded any videos? Well, life happens, right?
Life has been happening, and a lot of life has been happening.
Right.
You know, we had to take a little break and stay at our home base because the manufacturing business that I have been getting involved with to partner with has taken a little more time and kept us closer to home. And, you know, the boys have
Orthodontic appointments, if you know, you know, that is near impossible to get done on the road. So we needed to be in one place. Also, our youngest got really into drums, playing the drums, and we were able to do some drum lessons for him. He is rocking it.
We missed being on the road so freaking much.
Yeah, and we couldn't do full-time, but
Right.
we want to get out part-time, anytime, whatever you want to call it. Just get back out there again. We missed it. We are so still deep in the RV life. I'm still a host for the RV Entrepreneur Podcast, meeting so many wonderful RV entrepreneurs. We're still blogging. He's doing a great job with the
Blogging
blog.
like crazy, and every time I go through our photos of like all of these places we've been in, all of this great full-time stuff, I like tears come to my eyes. I'm like, I miss this so much. I want to go back there so badly. And we're kind of tied to the East Coast because of the orthodontic appointments and the business that I'm getting involved with. Instead of buying something really big and, you know, or bigger than what we had, I know the ORV was only 28 feet long and we were pretty agile. We got a camper van,
Yeah,
which
we got this.
I know your first response is, are you crazy? You
That's
fit
way
4
too
people?
small,
It's too small.
right?
Guess what? You are absolutely right.
You are right. We're going to give you more info about that in another video, but we are making it work. We're learning the systems inside, outside, trying to figure out the order of operations. You know, we've got beds and stuff that need to go down and then back up every time you want to leave. We only have this vehicle.
But for now, we wanted to give you an update of where we have been, where we're going, what's next, and this is a short chapter. We still plan on going back to a little more part-time life with a bigger rig that we can get further west, because everybody out there in the west, you know, and your Arizonas and your Colorados, we miss you guys. And the ones who watch us and we have crossed paths with, you know who you are. We want to get back out and see everybody and get to the places we love so much. And this isn't going to do it. To give you a quick idea of what it's like for the boys to ride in the back of this, Zach, on one of our first trips, it was 200 miles long. His watch registered literally 18,000 steps from all of the bouncing in the back seat of this thing. It's crazy.
Think school bus, you know, riding in the back of a school bus.
School bus.
Bounce, bounce, yeah.
School bus placed on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
In near Manhattan traffic. Anyway,
So
let's
their
not go there.
backs and everything, a little too much for a long trip. So anyways, we are here at this awesome campground. It's called Normandy Farms Campground. It's in near Foxborough, Massachusetts. And let me tell you guys, this is one of the best campgrounds we have ever been to. But
it's rated like in the top 10 in the country.
Yes.
And we've,
it
you
has
know,
everything.
You know us, we're boondockers.
Yeah.
You know, it's painful to pay for something, but I feel like I am paying for every kind of resort amenity that you could ask for. This place is top notch. The staff is vetted so well that whoever runs this business has done a kick butt job.
Yeah.
If you ever make it to Massachusetts, make it a point to book this place.
Out. Yeah, and book it in advance. You want some good sites. We're in site 21 right now, and it is
great site. A little short if you got a longer rig. Anyway, we're not here to promote this place. We're just telling you that we randomly picked this so the boys could have something to do while we're kind of getting a little break and getting away.
And getting to know this van.
Yeah, this is the shakedown number 3. Now, that video is coming after this one.
Right.
So if you are into camper vans or you're curious how, you know, because this is a Roadtrek Zion Slumber and it's a 23 version. I did an article on some of the best camper vans that families of 4 can kind of tolerate. I don't want to use the word live in or even vacation, because it's more like tolerate.
Definitely not full-time.
No. I'm going to give you a quick tour, but I'm going to save the rest of it for the full video that we do reviewing everything about our Roadtrek. So come on, check it out.
Come on.
We love this magnetic screen door that helps keep the bugs out while still allowing us to keep the slider door open. This leads right into the kitchen area with a sink, induction cooktop, microwave, and a decent-sized fridge. We really enjoy the light colored cabinets, which is a plus in a small space. The back of the van has plenty of cabinet storage and a rear couch that transforms into a king-size bed for Glenn and I. We added a memory foam mattress topper for comfort, which we store behind the couch. When the bed is not in use, we can set up our favorite table. Thank you, Andrew. Back towards the front of the van, the ladder is set up to access the pop top where a 14-year-old sleeps. We added a memory foam mattress topper to his bed for comfort as well. He loves his space. Back down the ladder, we make our way into the wet bath. This is where we also store our Luno inflatable mattress system for the front cab area. This bathroom is very convenient on our drives. The shower is definitely tight, but we're thankful we have it. And here's our Luno mattress for Zach, and he loves it. Oh yeah, the rear storage under the couch. Not much garage space, but we make it work.
So that wraps up this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Those of you who have hung on during this duration that has taken us so long, thank you. It means the world to us. We'll see you in the next one.